Hello, Internet. Good afternoon. Adrenaline high here, and I'm very excited. This is going to be my first long trip, Mumbai to Goa. I'm thinking to stay at Kolad. एक स्ट्रेच पे तो हो नहीं पाएगा बिकॉज आई ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड लेट. करीब करीब 3 बजने आ गए हैं. And just to avoid some traffic, I'm planning to go from the Vasai Bhayandar Roro ferry. I stay at Vasai. There was another convenient option which I wanted to take. जो कोलाबा मांडवा रोरो था, I want to take that also so that I can actually skip the Thane, Navi Mumbai or Panvel ka traffic entirely. But I couldn't get the tickets on time, so I had to follow the set route.
Laugh like someone told me I'd never see. Where the sun shines like.
So finally, I have started on National Highway 66. It's around 5:20. 3 बजे निकला था मैं, so करीब 2.5 घंटे मुझे लग गए. I think I still reached a little early. If you see the conditions of Mumbai traffic, actually traffic अभी बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ने वाला है because the office people will start leaving to their home और traffic jam तो होने वाला था. So it was good that I skipped to those traffic. और I think from here onwards it's just a straight road. इसको follow करना है बस और कुछ नहीं.
Laugh like someone.
Honestly speaking, yeah, the ferry experience is really good. I mean, I already made up my mind to use this option in case I had to travel to the city now. I mean, I fell in love with the convenience here. I think I'm easily saving around 45 minutes and 20 odd kilometers of pathetic roads and traffic at the same time. Not bad for a start, isn't it? I mean, any time I will take this option. Anything is a blessing to get off the Mumbai city, chaos and traffic. I'm planning to halt at Kolad. I have booked a bunk bed at Zostel. It's located right next to the Kundalika River, where adventure sports like river rafting takes place. But the real challenge is the last ferry to the hostel leaves at 7:30 p.m. So, as per the Google Maps, if I see, it seems like I will reach by around 7:45. So I'm pretty cut to cut. I already had a word with the caretaker and explained him about my travel. He was generous enough to extend the ferry until 8:15 p.m. But you know, right? It's beyond that it will be difficult because the ferries are run by the locals over there, and they do not work beyond 7:30 or 8 p.m. देखते हैं. I'll try to reach before 7:45 or maybe try to reach by the time at 7:30. 15 मिनट का difference दिख रहा है, लेकिन let me see if I can cover that up. I should be able to. The roads are good. I personally don't like the cement roads, to be very frank. They give you a feel as if you're riding on a coarse, rough path. There's always a sound, of the tires rolling on them, which kind of feels vibey. The sunset is like glorious if you see. I'm trying to capture it. Actually, I'm trying to pay attention more on the road, but I'm trying to also cover up the sunset whenever I see an empty road. The climate is pleasantly cold. Evenings mein na, you'll see a lot of trucks and buses. They enter the highway, and overtaking is very risky and also not recommended at certain situations. But this will slow you down, I would say. Yes, there is always a competition between the bus companies to reach earliest and claim their fastest travel service reward. So, if you're riding in the night on these roads, you need to be careful. Additionally, there are certain diversions on the way. You really need to be careful about these as well. Although the work of the highway might be called or cited as completed, बोल दिया हुआ कि भाई हाँ complete है, it's open and all, but there are still places where the work is in progress. There are a lot of places, I would say. I will try to see if I can mark those places on the map where the work is under progress. But for the reference, this is where when I am riding now, so might not be the accurate one in future. So you can refer them accordingly. चलो यार, it's getting dark and I'll try to avoid the night recording. वैसे मुझे जल्दी पहुंचना है. I need to cover up those 15-20 minutes and I hope I will do that. I'll see you directly at this hostel parking lot now. So I finally arrived at Zostel Kolat parking area by around 8 p.m. and this guy was waiting to drop me on the other side of the river. It's pitch dark, and to be very frank, I was very scared. At this moment, I was trying to be polite, curious, and alert at the very same time. I was also carrying a lot of luggage, my backpack and helmet and tying bags and riding jacket, pants and boots, and along with all those, I was also thinking how could I manage to fight someone or something if I could come across any. But as always, I believe the best of experiences usually goes through rough paths. So was the experience here.
तो भाई ये है हॉस्टल कोलाड. बहुत ही यूनिक प्लेस है, वेरी यूनिक एक्सपीरियंस. आज तक कभी ऐसे जगह पे तो नहीं आया मैं, लेकिन दिख तो अच्छा रहा है. कुछ लोग भी दिख रहे हैं वहाँ पर, सो गुड. कंपनी भी मिल जाएगी. तो ये है 10 बेड की डॉर्मेट्री और ये है अपनी बेड. यहाँ पर एक बंदा रह रहा है, यहाँ पर एक बंदा रह रहा है. There is one person here. अब तो कोई नहीं है, सब बाहर घूम रहे हैं, लेकिन या दिस इज़ द बेड आई गॉट. सब सामान रख लिया है, क्विक शावर एंड देन खाना खाकर सो जाते हैं.
As I reached, a professional gentleman at the property showed me around the hostel and helped me change all my negative thoughts about the place. Fear changed into excitement, alertness changed into peace, and loads of thoughts into hunger pangs. The place was neat and clean, very well maintained by professionals, and I was very hungry. So I freshened up and I went for a hearty meal to end my day in a very positive note. All my day's tiredness withered away. I felt more energy, peace, and ready for my next day's ride.
फोर एंड हाफ आवर्स जो है मुझे लग गए. रोड इज़ गुड, थोड़े बहुत बैड पैचेस हैं, बट आई थिंक रोड इज़ रियली गुड. यहाँ तक तो ठीक था, कोलाड तक. इसके आगे की जो रोड है वो हम कल देखेंगे. मेरा गोप्रो, अभी मेरा माइक तो नहीं चल रहा है गोप्रो पे, लेकिन आई विल ट्राई टू गिव अ बैकग्राउंड साउंड ऑन द वीडियोस आई हैव बीन टेकिंग. और एक से एक नज़ारे दिखे. वो सनसेट जो हो रहा था माउंटेन के ऊपर से, दैट वाज अमेजिंग. सारा चीज़ कैप्चर तो कर लिया है. लेट्स गो एंड फिगर आउट कि वो बराबर से आया है कि नहीं. यहाँ पर एंट्री करते ही मतलब फट गई थी मेरी, एकदम से डरावना एंट्री था. अंधेरा था और फॉर सम रीज़न उनका लाइट चला गया था वहाँ वो पार्किंग एरिया में. और आने के टाइम पे भी यू नीड टू कम वाया फेरी और रिवर क्रॉस करना पड़ता है, तो वो टाइम पे भी लाइट नहीं थी. और बंदे ने मुझे वहाँ छोड़ दिया, बोला सर आप अभी जा सकते हो, सामने जो गेट है वहीं पर है. सो आई हैड टू टेक ऑल माई लगेज. ये सब कैरी करके करीब होगा 20 किलो के आसपास सब कैरी करके मैं जा रहा था यहाँ पर एंट्रेंस की तरफ. तब तक तो फट गई थी. जब एंट्रेंस आ गया, लोग दिख गए, देन आई वाज लाइक ओके चलो ठीक है भाई, कहीं सही जगह आ गया. आई नो इट इज़ अ लिटिल रिस्की, बट मैंने बहुत सारा रिव्यूज़ पढ़ा था इसके बारे में, सो आई डिड माई होमवर्क प्रॉपरली. और जस्ट बिकॉज इट्स अ वेरी लिटिल बिट रिमोट एरिया, आसपास में बहुत सारे आपको होटल्स और रिसोर्ट्स मिल जाएंगे. तो आपके लिए आई लॉग आउट.